Hey guys, got a question on your 650. It's not going into four-wheel drive. It's indicating up on the dash, but it's not engaging into four-wheel drive. So any tips on this issue? When you turn the key on, and it doesn't have to be running or not, but you can flip that switch, you should hear a whirring sound and the four-wheel drive engaging. So if you don't hear that, then next you're going to want to go check the fuses on the ATV that's under the seat on your 650, and you're going to want to go check the fuses, and it's going to be real similar to this one. This is a 700, but your fuses are going to be back here under the seat. Right down here under the seat is your fuses, and you're going to want to check those fuses in there. And if your fuses are all good, you don't have any blown fuses or anything, then you're going to want to check your wiring connections to make sure they're all good. You can also check down in here to make sure you don't have any dirt or anything, and then you can make sure that your plug is connected. I would pull this apart and stick some dielectric grease in there like I did in this video up here. Just going through all your plugs like that can help with your connections. If you get water in there, it may not be so good for everything. So putting that dielectric grease in there helps to keep that moisture out. So you can test to make sure you have voltage down at the plug going to the actuator, the four-wheel drive actuator, that you're getting voltage. When you switch it to four-wheel drive, you should be having 12 volts down there on your plug to the actuator. If you're not getting 12 volts there, then you're going to go back on your wiring harness, make sure there's no bare or broken wires anywhere along the wiring harness, and then you're going to go further and check into your four-wheel drive actuator. Make sure that it is good in there. Depending on how mechanical you are, you can open up the actuator. There is a little motor in there, and there's a circuit board. You can test all the circuitry in there, see if there's any burnt things in there. But if you're not going to go that far, you can pick up an actuator to replace it, or you can maybe find a used one. But that is the basics of how to test that your four-wheel drive is working. You want to make sure that you've got good fuses, got good connections in your electrical system, that it's getting 12 volts down there to the plug. Make sure that it's got the voltage that it needs, and then you can also check your four-wheel drive switch, may be bad too. Alright, you kind of just go through by process of elimination. Hope these tips help you get that four-wheel drive working again. If you like this video, be sure to smash that button down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.